All right, so I'll just go. All right. I'm Peter, and I'm addicted to loud exhausts. It all started when I was in high school, and all my friends had Honda Civics and other really cool sports cars, and their exhausts were modified and they were super loud. And I just had my Toyota Camry, and it just couldn't keep up. I just wanted to be cool. I wanted to sound awesome like those really cool hot boys. I just wanted to be a hot boy. It was 3 years ago that I finally got a Jeep. It was my dream vehicle. I felt welcome amongst other Jeepers, you know. They would invite me out to go wheeling with them. I'd get the Jeep wave while I'm driving down the road. Even had some of them taking pictures of my Jeep while I was at Target with rubber ducks. Like, I don't get it, but I felt welcomed. But then, it happened. They started getting loud exhaust systems. I tried to keep up, but they didn't want to hang out with me and stopped inviting me to go wheeling. I would play exhaust sounds through the sound system, and I even hired a professional trombone player. I don't know what to do. Pypes Exhaust and Jeep Life Podcast, I need your help. I don't know what I will do if I don't get an exhaust system. Help me, please.